Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Rebecca, Becky, Bex, however you want to call me. In today's video, I'm just going to be doing a quick, everyday look. You know, there are times we just don't get enough time to do like a big glam look every time in the morning. You know, we've only got like 20 minutes or half an hour to spare to put our makeup on. Well, I'm just going to quickly show you how I do my everyday, well, not every day, but just a quick makeup look which you can chuck on your face and run straight out of the door. If you guys are going to enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please don't forget to subscribe, please don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video with your friends, whoever likes their makeup. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, link is in the description bar below. So let's get started by doing this quick everyday look. Now, as you guys have noticed, my eyebrows are already done. Now, what I usually do is, if I know I have to get up the next morning and literally only have like half an hour to do my makeup, what I'll do is the night before is I will tint my eyebrows. So I usually tint them with the Maybelline brow tint. I usually tint my eyebrows, peel them off before I go to bed, and then my eyebrows are done the next day. So then I don't have to worry about them, but I forgot to tint them. So that's very helpful. So let's just pretend that they are tinted. So my eyebrows are already tinted. Notice as well, I've already got eyeliner on. It's because I'm doing a review on the Ardell Magnetic and Lashes liner. That will be going up on my channel soon. So stay tuned for a review on that. But sometimes there are times where I do want to wear eyeliner in the morning, so sometimes I will just wear an eyeliner like this, or I wear a very short eyeliner, or I wear 2 eyeshadows on the lid and a bit of mascara and I'm done. So let's just say for eyes, I did eyeliner, and obviously I wouldn't put falsies on because I don't have time to put falsies on. So I just did my eyeliner and then I did mascara. So let's just say that's already done. So for the face, now, there's a few things I can do. Sometimes I would wear just a little bit of concealer, put that on my face, on the areas, so under my eyes and a little bit of imperfections, and I'll put powder on and that will be it. Or there is one product I use, which is actually a 2-in-1. It is this one right here. So this one is the Kiko Milano Full Coverage 2-in-1 Foundation and Concealer, and I'm in the shade Warm Rose 10. So that's like an all-in-one, so I just put that on and it's like a concealer and a foundation, so it does everything I need it to do, and it's super full coverage as well, which I don't really go for full coverages, but when it comes to concealers, I like a full coverage concealer, so I don't mind the foundation being a bit full coverage. So, but first off, I can't leave the house without a bit of primer on my face. So this primer here, so this is the Miss Sporty Instant Glow Primer, Perfect and Radiance Complexion. So I'm going to just start by, well, my mirror, is peeking in the corner there. It's peeking there, hiding. So I'm just going to, so just to say I'm in a rush. So I'll just start applying this on my face, because my skin's always tends to be quite dry. Sometimes I tend to combine it with 2 primers, but on a day when you haven't got a lot of time, I just go for just 1 primer. So apply that under my eyes. Okay, so my primer is on, so now I just move on to my face. So I'm just going to go in with my colour corrector. So this is the LA Go Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer, and this is the orange colour corrector. So if I notice that my dark under eyes are a bit dark, I'll just quickly grab this and I would apply this under the eyes. So this will just help to colour correct my dark circles. When I wear full coverage, I just want to make sure that my dark circles are covered up and they're brightened up. Just use my fingers roughly for that. So now I'm going to go for my Kiko concealer. It's got the big doe foot applicator like the Tarte Shape Tape and the Tarte foundations. So I'm just going to start drawing this under my face and drawing this under my eyes as well. But I really make sure that these inner corner bits here are grabbed, because otherwise you're going to see that colour corrector. So now that's all done, I just grab my beauty sponge and I just start blending this out. And obviously, usually I do put this stuff on my lid as well. Right, so as you guys can see, this has just added the coverage I wanted. I'm just going to set it all in place now with a powder. So this one is my Kiko powder. So this is the Kiko Matte Fusion Pressed Powder. I'm in the shade 04. So I'm just going to grab this on this really nice brush. This is known as the Spectrum brushes. I'm not sure what brand this is from, but this is the Spectrum A10 brush. So it's a really soft powder brush. So I'm just going to take it just gonna go straight into the powder, and I'm just gonna start setting my face. Oh my god, this brush is so soft. And I'm also gonna take this one here. This is the Spectrum B018 brush. And I'm gonna grab that powder and I'm gonna set that under the eyes as well, so we don't experience any creasing. Okay, so the face is all set. So I tend to now grab for a bronzer, blush, highlighter trio, because it's just quick and easy just to grab a trio because you've got everything you've got in there, a bronzer, blush, highlighter. This one's the Patricia Bright face palette, and this is in the shade Moonlight Glow. So this is the lightest one they do. I've already done a review on this palette. If you want to see the review, I'll put the link on the screen somewhere so you guys can check that out. So yes, I just go for an angled brush. So this one is the Spectrum A05 brush. Grab the bronzer and I just quickly do my bronzer. I always make sure this bit's done mainly, because I always find when I'm in a rush and I'm doing my bronzer, that bit, I leave the house and that bit is always going patchy. It's not just with this bronzer, it's with every bronzer I use. Every bronzer does exactly the same thing, and I'm like, why is it doing that? So yeah, I just apply the bronzer, and then I go on top of my forehead as well. Okay, so once my bronzer is on, I then just go in with a bit of powder again. Just grab that big brush, and I usually just clean up my edges. I know I don't have an awful lot of time, but I just do like a quick clean up. Okay, so once that's sculpted out, I tend to use a sponge actually when I'm in a rush, but I don't mind using a brush. I'll use a sponge so it sculpts out my face a bit quicker. So I'm just gonna grab in with that same Spectrum brush. I'm just gonna go in with the blush color. I'm just gonna grab that one and apply this to the cheeks. Sometimes I would just go in with just bronzer and highlighter, but if I've got the chance, I would just quickly swish in some blusher on my cheeks. And now I'm going to go in with my favorite part, which is the highlighter. So I'm going to use that same brush that I used under my eyes. So I'm using the Spectrum B08 brush. I'm going to grab that highlighter shade now. I'm just going to grab that and I'm just going to apply that in the places where I just want to glow. So oh, that's so pretty. Just gonna grab some spray to make it more intense. A little bit more intense. Yeah, that's pretty. Oh yeah. I'll just use this one I used for the concealer. I'll grab that colour as well and apply that in the inner corners of my eye. And I'd also apply it under the brow bone as well. So I apply some in between my nose as well, Cupid's bow, and also my chin. I also forgot as well, I do put mascara on my lower lashes, so I'm just going to do that now. I'm just going to grab any mascara and I put it on my lower lashes. And of course, I also need to apply something to the lips. I usually tend to wear like a matte product because I want something that sort of lasts all day, or stains, or a nice gloss is quite nice. I know it does come off, but a nice bit of gloss which is quite hydrating. So I'm gonna go for a gloss today. So I've got this little one right here. This is the Kiko Lip Gloss Pencil, and this one's in the shade 12. And of course, I can't go out the door, literally cannot go out the door without a bit of setting spray. So this is the Mimi Internal Setting Spray. And this is it, guys. This is the completed look. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see me doing another natural look, then let me know, because I'm happy to do another one. I think I have filmed one in the past. If I have, I will put a link on the screen somewhere so you guys can check that out. I think that might be my very first video, so if it is, be warned about the video quality because it's not that great. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video with your friends, whoever likes makeup. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description bar below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.